Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। वादा था आपसे कि वापस मिलेंगे बहुत जल्द एक बहुत ही खास शख्सियत के साथ। मेरे साथ अंकिता सूद हैं। बहुत बहुत थैंक यू कि आपने हमारा ये मान सम्मान रखा, आप हमारे साथ में आई। आपको बता दूं कि कॉर्पोरेट की दुनिया में ये बहुत अच्छे स्थान पे बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही थी, लेकिन फिर आपने कॉर्पोरेट की दुनिया को त्याग दिया, योग को अपना लिया। योग को भी किस तरह से अपनाया। आज सुबह प्रहलाद जी ने, हमारे जो मिनिस्टर साहब हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात कही थी। उन्होंने कहा था हम ये जो योगा बूट कैंप कर रहे हैं ये हिंदुस्तान का मान सम्मान बढ़ाएगा। और हिंदुस्तान के मान सम्मान को बढ़ाया अंकिता ने, क्योंकि अंकिता सूद रही हैं योग एम्बेसडर फॉर इंडिया, और ये 3 साल तक यूरोप में रही हैं और दुनिया जहां में इन्होंने घूम के योग को आगे बढ़ाया है। तो आज दुनिया जहां से लोग हमारे साथ भी जुड़ रहे हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है, हर तरफ से हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड वेलकम।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anmol, for inviting me for this beautiful and the biggest virtual yoga boot camp.
Yes. So I would say all over to you, Ankita. Your students are ready, our viewers are ready. So लेट्स गो अहेड, बिकॉज आज का जो सेशन है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए भी हो जाता है बिकॉज आप जो सेशन लेने वाली हैं वो इम्यूनिटी को हमारी और तगड़ा करने वाला है। और कोविड के वक्त में अगर कोई चीज़ चाहिए तो वो है हमारी इम्यूनिटी। तो चलिए साहब, हमारे जो डायरेक्टर साहब हैं वो अपना कुछ कर्तव्य यहाँ पे दिखा देंगे। हम लोग यहाँ पे सर क्या निकल जाऊँ सर, बोलिए तो। हाँ, आप जैसा हुक्म करेंगे उसके हिसाब से होगा, तो बस ठीक है। ऑल ओवर टू यू। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्कार। हम लोग सेशन की शुरुआत करने वाले हैं, तो सबसे पहले हम लोग बैठ जाएंगे। We all will be sitting in a very comfortable position. Just look at the atmosphere. We have Gautam Buddha. We have the beautiful scenery. पेड़ हैं, greenery है, nature है. Yoga is all about getting connected to your own self. And if you are in this beautiful nature, एक अलग ही impact आने वाला है. We shall start the session with a prayer to enhance our yogic practice. So I would request all of you to please sit comfortably in a meditative posture, Sukhasana, and join your hands in Namaste Mudra, because now we will be starting the prayer. Keep your eyes closed. A beautiful smile on your face. Sangachadvam sangadadvam samvo manasi janata देवा भागम यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते। May we all be in unison. May our mind be equanimous, like in the beginning of the universe. Rub your palms together. And now very gently you may cup your eyes with both your palms on your eyes. Slowly and gently open up your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face and get your hands down. Namaste. I, Ankita Sood, welcome you all for this beautiful session. The 7th International Day of Yoga. Today we are going to celebrate our health. 2020 year ने हम सभी को बता दिया है कि जो हमारी health है, that is wealth. And our health is in our hands. So we really have to be taking good care of our health. We have to respect our body. We have to honor our body. And today's session is going to be for those who are looking for boosting their immune system. for a healthy respiratory system, to have that internal body massage. हमको अपनी पूरी body को तरोताज़ा कर देना है, rejuvenate कर देना है. And that is the reason in today's session, I will be sharing important and magical 5 breathing techniques. I will be sharing with you some dynamic movements so that you feel better. Each and every body parts of ours get massaged internally and we feel good, we feel rejuvenated. I will be also sharing very important mudra that is going to enhance your oxygen levels immediately. So now we will be starting the session. Please make yourself comfortable and let us just stretch our legs in front. Keep our back straight. And very slowly and gently inhale and stretch your arms up. And as you exhale, just bend forward and try to relax. Inhale, we come up again. And exhaling, we relax ourselves. Now let us cross our legs again. Now I'm going to start with the 5 magical breathing techniques. Number 1 technique is called as Bhastrika Pranayam. In Bhastrika Pranayam, what are we supposed to do is that we are going to do bellow breathing. Inhalation and exhalation should be little forceful, should be equal. So let us all start. Make yourself comfortable. And this is the starting position. So your hands are going to be on your knees. Your back is going to be straight. Look in front. Now, thumbs in and make a fist. Now what you're supposed to do is, as you breathe in, you open up your arms, you open up your hands, and as you breathe out with a little jerk to your lungs, we are going to exhale. So I'm going to show it to you once. Here we go. All right, very good. I can see all the beautiful, beautiful participants across the world who are practicing with me. So here we go. Get ready. Start. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. 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 Out. Now relax. Palms facing the ceiling. Allow your body to be completely relaxed. Close your eyes and just watch your breath. Yoga is all about being connected with yourself, with your mind, your body, your soul, your breath. Now very slowly we again open our eyes and we start the second round of Bhastrika Pranayam. So let's take the position. Very good. Excellent. I can see Zeno. I can see Beena. Very good. Excellent. You all are doing it so well. Now we start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue. Continue breathing. Continue massaging your lungs internally. बहुत ही बढ़िया कर रहे हैं आप लोग सब. Very good. And now we relax. Every time when you hear the word relax, आप लोग अपने body को एकदम ढीला छोड़ दें, अपने मन को एकदम शांत कर लें. This is what yoga is all about. हमको wellness की तरफ जाना है. We are supposed to go towards wellness, not towards illness. And the best way to absolutely, open up your lungs, open up your respiratory system is the breathing. That is the most important. Third and the final round, Bhastrika Pranayam. Everyone, here we go. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 And we relax. Now allow yourself to be completely relaxed and take a transition breath in and breathe out. Now, very slowly and gently open up your eyes. Now, moving on to the second magical breathing technique, which is called as the candle blowing breathing technique. Now, imagine it's the 7th International Day of Yoga, and we have a very beautiful cake in front of us to celebrate this Yoga Day. Now what we are supposed to do is, हमारे सामने एक कैंडल है और हमको उसको बुझाना है दम लगा के पूरी एनर्जी के साथ. वी आर सपोज टू टेक अवे ऑल द टॉक्सिन्स फ्रॉम द बॉडी. तो हमें क्या करना है? We will be just breathing in deeply, and as we exhale with a gentle forward breath, we are going to exhale completely. So here we go. Please take the position. Place your hands on your knees. दोनों हाथों को अपने घुटनों पे रखेंगे और इस तरह से पोजीशन लेंगे. Now we breathe in. अच्छे से, very good, excellent. Again, breathe in. मैक्सिमम जितना एक्सेल कर सकते हैं उतना आपको एक्सेल करना है. अगेन इनहेल, लास्ट टाइम जब आपको लगेगा अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं एक्सेल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, उसके बाद भी आप खाली 2 सेकेंड्स के लिए एक्सेल करेंगे. हियर वी गो, स्टार्ट. ब्रीद इन, and now relax yourself. Now imagine the cake is really big और candles जो हैं वो सारी तरफ हैं. So what we are supposed to do is that as we breathe in, we are supposed to breathe out with this kind of a movement. हमने पूरी तरह से internal massage देना है. हमने पूरी तरह से अपने respiratory system को clean करना है. So for that, now we are going to start the second variation of candle blowing breathing technique. Here we go. Start. Breathe in. Right to left. Breathe in. Left to right. Breathe in. Right to left. Breathe in. Left to right. 2 more rounds. Come on, I'm just watching you all. Very good. आप सब बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Breathe in and breathing out. Excellent. I can see Soumya Shukla. Breathe in. Breathe out the other way around. Very good. बहुत ही बढ़िया कर रहे हैं आप लोग. सी योग इज ऑल अबाउट डूइंग इट, एक्सपीरियंसिंग इट. हमको प्रैक्टिकली उसको समझना है, हमको उसके साथ जुड़ना है, हमको करना है. एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग कि आप लोग सब मेरे साथ ये कर रहे हैं. परफेक्ट. अब हम लोगों ने क्या किया है? हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम किया, हमने कैंडल ब्लोइंग करा. अब जो हम थर्ड जा रहे हैं वो है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम जो है वो आप लोग सब काफ़ी रेगुलरली कर रहे हैं. हाँ, बट आज इस अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम में मैंने एक स्पेशल चीज़ को ऐड किया है. वो क्या है मैं आपको बताती हूँ. मेरे पास ये है एक ब्रीदिंग पोटली. अगर कैमरा थोड़ा सा क्लोज आएगा, ये ब्रीदिंग पोटली जो है उसमें क्या है, उसमें थोड़ा अजवाइन है, थोड़ा सा कैम्फर है और थोड़ी लौंग है. सो वी हैव अजवाइन, वी हैव सम क्लोव्स एंड वी हैव सम कैम्फर. All these ingredients are excellent to increase the oxygen level of your system. आपको ये जब आप इसको use करेंगे, आपको immediately you will feel that now you can breathe better. Now you can feel that respiratory system is opening up. And that is the reason, especially during COVID times, I have devised this technique of breathing with the potli. And what you're supposed to do is you will be using this potli to breathe in and breathe out alternatively. So we are going to combine Anulom Vilom with this breathing potli. Okay? So right now, you don't have the potli with you, I know that. But I really wanted to share it with you that you should use this potli. I'm going to show you one round with the potli, and rest we can do it without the breathing potli. So you just have to keep the potli in front. And very gently, you are supposed to close one nostril and breathe in. Close the other and breathe out. Same nostril, breathe in. Another nostril, breathe out. So this was with the breathing portly, which is excellent. My students, they have got beautiful results. अगर आप ये portly use करेंगे, you will feel हमारा oxygen level बढ़ रहा है. अब हम लोग अनुलोम विलोम traditional way में करेंगे. So for that, you are sitting in cross leg posture. Your left hand is going to be in chin mudra. So chin mudra, you can just check. My index finger is touching my thumb, the tip. And with the right hand, I am going to make Nasika Graha Mudra. That means next to the thumb, these two fingers will be folded, and I'm going to use this in front. Always first close your right nostril. So let us start. Everyone, close your right nostril. Left inhale, close, hold the breath. Right exhale. Right inhale, close. Left exhale. Left inhale, close. Right exhale. Right inhale, close. Left exhale. Left inhale, close. Right exhale. Right inhale, close. Left exhale. And now very gently get your hand down, both your hands in chin mudra. Keep your back straight and let us connect ourselves with our breath. What is happening to the entire nervous system, respiratory system? And now gently open up your eyes. Now we go on to the next magical breathing technique, which is going to work wonders for the entire nervous system. Obviously, it is going to also improve your immunity. So what we are going to do is Brahmari Pranayam. For Brahmari Pranayam, you are just supposed to hum like a bee. एक भंवरे के समान हमको गुंजन करना है, हमको अपने ही साउंड के एनर्जी के साथ मर्ज करना है. We are supposed to merge ourselves with the sound energy, with the vibrations around the facial muscles, inside your mouth, inside your ears, and it's going to make a big difference. Let's do it. Come on, everybody. Take the position. Now we will be using our hands. So please, with the thumb, you close your ear, then the eyes, nose, upper lip, lower lip, and let's start making the sound. Inhale deeply. And now slowly and gently relax your hands. Keep your eyes closed. And just be with that beautiful experience. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Steadiness. Just be with this beautiful feeling, the pleasant feeling. And now gently open up your eyes. Now we go on to the fifth and the last magical breathing technique. In this technique, what we are supposed to do is that we will be using all the breathing muscles, the clavicular muscles, the intercostal muscles, the abdominal muscles. So what we are going to do is we will be chanting the sound of Om in such a way that A, U and Ma, these syllables have to be used. हमको A, U, Ma पूरा अच्छे से ओम को जपना है. So what we are supposed to do is just make yourself comfortable, hands in chin mudra, close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Now be relaxed. Again connect yourself. अपने आप को आपने जोड़ना है अपनी श्वास के साथ. और अब धीरे से आंखों को खोल लेंगे. Please open up your eyes. Excellent. I can see Maria, who is doing the pranayam so beautifully. Very good, Maria. Now what we are going to do is हम लोगों ने 5 magical breathing techniques सीख ली हैं to boost up our immune system. Next is a mudra. Now this mudra is called as Adi Mudra. Adi Mudra works wonders to enhance the oxygen levels. Immediately you will feel much more energetic. आपको लगेगा कि हमारा oxygen जो है वो better हो रहा है. And again this is tried and tested with all my students. So what we are supposed to do is simply, please let us do it together. अपने दोनों हाथों को please keep your hands like this and very gently both your thumbs, they are touching the base of the little finger. Very good. Excellent, Maria. And now slowly we make a fist like this. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. So this is Adi Mudra. And now we can just place the hands on our thighs. Super. So this mudra, you should do this mudra every day for at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Now one is that you sit in a meditative posture and you be in the mudra. But because considering the busy schedule, what we can do is that you can also do this mudra while suppose you are reading something or you are watching something, or nowadays most of us, we are completely on the Zoom call. So what you can do is just be in this mudra and you can be also in the Zoom call. So simple Adi Mudra. Okay, everybody? Perfect. Show me the fist. Excellent, Soumya. Very good. Very good. Now relax. Now we can open and be relaxed. Now let's just open our legs. Open our legs and be completely relaxed. Give some movements to your toes. Throughout the day, the complete body weight is being taken care by the feet. So we have to pamper the feet. And for that, I'm going to introduce some massage techniques. Now these massage techniques are also excellent acupressure techniques. So what we are going to do is just fold your legs. And now if you can just focus on my feet, we have the webs here, okay? So we will be using the fingertips and we are going to massage these webs. In between each and every toe, we have the nerves which are taking the blood. So if you can just focus on my feet and just show the participants how you're supposed to massage like this. Continuously you're supposed to do this. Very good. Excellent. Very good, Beena. Excellent, Peter. I can see John, many people. Excellent. Now understand that in acupressure, we have the body parts which have to be pumped up. So this part is called as the reproductive organ. So our reproductive organs are here in this part. So every day as a routine, you must massage these parts. So let's do it. Use your hands and let's start massaging our ankle area. Now this can also be done while having your bath. Every day, make it as a ritual. Yoga is a lifestyle. Yoga is supposed to be which is followed 24/7. It is not just asana, it is not just pranayam, it is a lifestyle where you're connecting yourself. It gives you better vision, it gives you clarity in your mind. Excellent, बहुत बढ़िया, आप सब बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. Now we will be repeating it on the other ankle. So let's do it. Massage. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था, ये वाला सेशन जो है, it's going to be a mixture of many things. Breathing, acupressure, mudras, asanas, relaxation. Perfect. Now, let's go on to the calf muscles. Now, this area again is a very important area because the calf muscles are called as the second heart. हमारा हार्ट यहाँ पे है और ये जो पोर्शन है, if we keep the calf muscles absolutely relaxed and loose and flexible, it is going to work wonders. So for this, the circular massage, slowly, as you can see. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Excellent, John. Very good. Saurabh, Vikram, Soumya, Beena, wow, very good. Excellent. And now, let's move on to the other leg and let's move upwards. Always the massage is supposed to be upwards towards the heart, okay? Keep on massaging. I'm here in this beautiful atmosphere and I can see some people, I think this is Europe if I'm not wrong. I can see someone in a beautiful garden and his name is Arthur. Wow, such a beautiful garden you are in and you are practicing yoga. It must be early morning there, must be around 9:30, yeah? Perfect. And now be relaxed. Absolutely relax yourself.